A new week here at Jagged X and another Expedition build. If you watch our shop walks, you guys saw this one, I would say probably about 6 or 8 months ago. We got it mostly done for the customer, but the customer brought it back to us for some oil change and some maintenance stuff, and we remembered we never did a photo shoot on it, and this build is definitely worthy of a photo shoot. So here we are. Let's start at the front like we always do. One of the things we updated was we put a Mojab shackle fair lead on this. This is something that we didn't carry back when we built this, and now that we absolutely love these, we definitely threw one on here for Ryan. DRT front bumper, as always, all of our builds lead with DRT front bumpers. DRT grill. This particular one has XL Pro front lights on it from Baja Designs. It's got an 8CR mid-travel kit, and with that 8CR mid-travel kit, we have Rhino 2.0 axles, full shock therapy build, so shock therapy dual rate spring kit, and shock therapy ride improvement system. For wheels and tires, we have Tensor Regulator 2s. These are 33s, and he went with the Method 401R race wheel, powder-coated black and white, the tuxedo theme that kind of goes on through the whole thing. Got the factory Polaris mirrors with, these are Squadron Pros, so super bright amber Pros on there. And then up top on the SDR roof rack, we have some custom brackets that we made, and we have the XL Sport 40-inch 7-pod light bar, right? 7 lights? Yeah, 7-light pod bar. And this is the SDR extended roof rack. So for those of you guys with ADVs, you can run the standard rack, which goes to here, or you can run the extension and you can put the standard rack on it. On the side here, as you can see, this one is wrapped by a company called Street Graphics. And it's just a cool black, gray, and white graphic that Ryan wanted for his car. So it's just a nice, good looking car coming down the road, all white from the front end, but it's got some cool graphics on the side. In addition to the cool graphics, got all the DRT mesh, so the intake and clutch intake mesh, and then the inner fender mesh down here. Viper machine whip mounts. Sorry, I don't know why I struggled getting that out. On the back, suspension-wise, all the same stuff. HCR, shock therapy, dual rate kit, shock therapy ride improvement system, all the good stuff. Obviously powder-coated white on the arms. Had our painter come custom paint all the black logos on it. Same tires, got a couple different things back here. So he decided to go with the electric off-road rear bumper, with all the white with the black accent panels, Bees Fab handle on the rear window. We got Lit Industries chase bar lights on the back here. So these are amber white amber, so they'll strobe or be solid depending on what he chooses to do on the Switch Bros. You can see tucked in here, we have the rugged radio antenna for the rugged radio. Down on the exhaust cover, we have DRT exhaust cover, powder coated black and white, and then XTC lighted license plate on the center of the bumper here. All right, so inside here, let me turn on the dome lights so you guys can see what's happening. We have XXX heated and cooled seats, obviously custom done in the white and black tuxedo for them. We have the Geyser shift boot. This was another thing that we added that we didn't carry back when we originally built this car. That he noticed some elements coming up through the shifter area, so we got the shift boot installed on there to get rid of the heat and the dust and all the stuff that comes up through that area. Obviously, you guys saw I got the MTS Switch Pro mount with all the all his light accessories here on the Switch Pro. Got the DRT push to talk for his radio. On the doors, you'll see Blades custom decking, gray and black gray and black decking everywhere. DRT grab handles on the doors, DRT grab handle for the passenger, and the DRT shift knob on there. Got the rugged radio system, so this is an M1. This is the intercom system. This is the passenger push to talk, and like I said, driver push to talk is there. It's got factory visors, the rugged speaker here. Oh, and the beautiful suede headliner up here. And then we have them set up with 3 of the Lit Industries dome lights. So 1, 2, and then 3 in the back in the cargo area. And those are triggered here on the Switch Pros. This is actually the factory Polaris RAM mount. So that's mounted there, and he's only got one option hooked up, which is the phone mount, but he can hook up 3 or 4 different things if he wants here, a couple different phone mounts or iPad or anything he needs there. Oh, and it does have the Blades custom decking floorboards as well. So in the back, we have the Jagged X rear floorboard for him. He's got an Axia fire extinguisher, Axia mounts for his headset jacks. So these are the rear, and then the front headset jacks are up here on the B-pillar. And then he's got Chupacabra headset hangers here for all of his STX headsets and all that good stuff. You can actually see the floorboard there. And then we recovered the rear seat to match the front seats as well. So it's got that tuxedo look. and obviously suede headliner back here also. We did the Bees Fab extended door handle, or extended door swings here. So this allows the door to open a lot further. He's actually got some adult kids that can actually sit back here and get in really easily. You guys have heard me talk about it a million times. That's a must have. If you don't have that yet on your Northstar Expedition, you're way behind. We also installed one of our jump lug kits. This is another thing that we did when we updated it here this most recent time. So it's got 2 jump lugs and a kill switch. So when he parks it for extended periods of time, he can hit that kill switch and it kills the power to everything in the car. And it's got jump lugs. If he does have to jump it, he doesn't have to get tools out to remove the seat to be able to do that. So got them all taken care of there. And got a couple things in the back here for him. You can see how easy it is to open up the rear with this rear handle from Bees Fab. He's got some storage in here. If he's got a tool roll and some stuff, this is stuff we took off the car. But one of the really cool things is this AGM manual sport jack. And it's mounted over here to the side. This is the factory rail on there. So this is mounted here all secure in case he has to swap a tire. He's got the jack to get him taken care of. All right, I think that's all we got. As always, let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think. It's a really cool build. Glad we can get this done for Ryan. If you need to get a hold of us to build yours, let us know.